Location, location, location. Location, location. This place is amazing. Hey, good afternoon folks, it's Monis. Today I'm in Scarborough bringing you my newest listing, 74 Rosemount Drive. At the moment we are in the neighborhood of Ironview. This neighborhood has an annual turnover of less than 2.5%. That means for every 100 houses, less than 3 houses come on the market. Why? Location, location, location. Location, location. This place is amazing. Now this detached bungalow has a separate basement entrance and is situated on a 40 by 200 feet deep lot. It's got a 10-car parking. Look at that. Schools, parks, grocery stores, library, food places, transit, everything is in walking distance. Kennedy GO station is only minutes away. Now let's go inside, let me show you what the house is like. So this property features 2 plus 2 bedrooms, 2 washroom, new kitchen, new washrooms, new living room, new basement, new floors, new ceiling, fully renovated. All right, now that you've seen the house, if you have any more questions, give me a shout. I'm here to answer any questions. Your friend and realtor, Monis.